Today, I am reviewing Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K wireless gaming mouse. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to gaming mice, few brands stand out as much as Razer, and the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K is one of their most advanced models to date. This mouse is designed not just for casual use, but for gamers and power users who want top-tier precision, customization, and performance in a sleek and ergonomic package. Right out of the box, the Basilisk V3 Pro impresses with its solid build quality, comfortable hand feel, and a design that balances aggressive gamer styling with practical usability. The matte black finish with Razer's signature Chroma RGB lighting gives it a premium look, and the customizable underglow lighting makes it stand out on any desk setup. One of the biggest highlights of this mouse is the Razer Focus Pro 35K optical sensor, which delivers an incredible 35,000 DPI. That level of sensitivity is far more than most people will ever need, but it's a strong indicator of just how precise and future-proof this mouse is. What makes the sensor special is not just the high DPI, but also the intelligent functions that go along with it. With features like smart tracking, the mouse automatically adjusts to different surfaces, even glass, while maintaining consistent lift-off distance. There's also motion sync, which ensures that your movements are tracked in perfect sync with your PC's polling, meaning you always get accurate and consistent tracking. This translates into smoother aim, more reliable flicks, and better control, which can make all the difference in competitive gaming. Another standout feature is the HyperScroll Tilt Wheel. Unlike traditional scroll wheels, this one offers multiple modes: tactile cycling for precise scrolling, free spin mode for quickly going through long documents or weapon wheels in games, and smart reel mode, which automatically switches between the two based on your scroll speed. This wheel is also tilt-enabled, meaning you can scroll left and right, adding another layer of control. Through Razer Synapse, you can even configure the wheel's behavior to match your exact preferences, including adjusting scroll tension and acceleration. This makes it one of the most versatile scroll wheels available on any mouse today. Customization is a major theme with the Basilisk V3 Pro. It offers 13 programmable controls, including the well-known multifunction trigger that Razer fans love. You can assign commands, macros, or essential actions like push-to-talk or ping with ease, and thanks to Razer Hypershift, each button can actually have a secondary function. This effectively doubles your available commands, which is incredibly useful for MMO players, streamers, and content creators who need quick access to a variety of actions. Battery life is another area where this mouse shines. On Razer's Hyperspeed wireless connection, you can expect up to 140 hours of usage, which is already excellent for a high-performance gaming mouse. If you switch to Bluetooth mode, that number jumps even higher to around 210 hours, making it ideal for productivity or travel use when you don't need the absolute fastest response time. And for the most competitive players, pairing it with the Razer Mouse Dock Pro or hyperpolling wireless dongle unlocks an insane 8,000 Hz polling rate, ensuring virtually zero input delay. Of course, you can also use the mouse in wired mode via the included USB-C cable, which allows charging while playing. The Chroma RGB lighting system deserves a mention as well. With 13 customizable lighting zones and full underglow, it supports over 16.8 million colors and countless effects. The real fun comes when you sync it with Razer Synapse and supported games, where the lighting reacts dynamically to in-game events. It's a small touch, but it adds an immersive element to your setup, especially if you already own other Razer Chroma-enabled devices. Ergonomics are excellent too. The Basilisk V3 Pro is designed for right-handed users and offers a comfortable grip that suits palm, claw, and fingertip styles. The button placement feels natural, and the tactile Gen 3 optical switches are both crisp and responsive, rated for durability, and designed to eliminate double-click issues. Despite all of its advanced features, the mouse is lightweight enough to handle fast-paced movements without strain, but still solid enough to feel durable. In summary, the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K wireless gaming mouse is an absolute powerhouse. It combines top-tier sensor performance, a highly customizable scroll wheel, 13 programmable buttons with Hypershift, long battery life, and immersive RGB lighting into one premium package. Whether you're a competitive gamer who values precision, a streamer who needs versatile controls, or even a casual user who simply wants a reliable and customizable mouse, this model is a fantastic choice.